volcano is a rupture in the crust of a planetary mass object such as Earth that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. But first, we are going to talk about the two trees. And one of the two trees is the classifications of volcanoes. Three classification of volcano: active, dormant, and extinct. Active volcano. An active volcano is a volcano that has had at least one eruption during the past 10,000 years. Dormant volcano. A dormant volcano is an active volcano that is not erupting but supposed to erupt again. Extinct volcano. An extinct volcano will be one that nobody expects to erupt again, has not had an eruption for at least 10,000 years, and is not expected to erupt again in a comparable time scale of the future. And the other three is the three types of volcano.
Three types of volcano: composite or strato, shield, and dome. Stratovolcano. A stratovolcano, also known as a composite volcano, is a conical volcano built up by many layers, or hundred lava, tephra, pumice, and ash. They are among the most common types of volcanoes, in contrast to the last common shield volcanoes. Shield volcano. A shield volcano is a type of volcano usually composed almost entirely of fluid lava flows. It is a name for its slope profile, resembling a warrior shield lying on the ground. A broad dome volcano with gently sloped slides, characteristics of the eruption of fluid basalt lava. Dome volcano. In volcanology, a lava dome is a circular mound-shaped protrusion resulting from the slow interaction of viscous lava from a volcano. Dome-building eruptions are common, particularly in convergent plate boundary settings.
So that is the two trees. And we are moving on how dangerous a volcanic eruption.
아이고.
Volcanoes have a serious hazard, such as lava flows, ashfall, pyroclastic flows, climate changes on a global scale. And for the lava flow, because lava flows are extremely hot, they can cause severe burns and often burn down vegetation and structures. The ashfall can be a real threat to our body. Chronic health effects from volcanic ashfall are possible, as exposure to free crystalline silica is known to cause silicosis. Pyroclastic flows destroy nearly everything in their path, with rock fragments ranging in size from ash to boulders that travel across the ground at speeds typically greater than 80 kilometers per hour. Pyroclastic flows knock down, shatter, bury, and carry away nearly all objects and structures in their path. Volcanoes are not that dangerous than other natural hazards, but the most deadly natural hazard. You should really protect yourself when volcanic eruption is occurring, especially the ashfall. Stay inside if possible, with windows and doors closed. Wear long-sleeved shirts and long pants. Use goggles to protect your eyes. Keep your car or truck engine switched off. After an eruption, roofs on buildings may collapse and kill people if enough volcanic ash particles land on them. People can develop breathing problems, throat irritations, and other respiratory issues when ashfall after a volcanic eruption.
Wala ko rin sin. Parang yan.
Mainit ba?
So we're going to shoot.
Kaya po yun nanalo.
Bloopers daw, bloopers. Recording.
Recording.
Ayan, maganda. Isa pa.
Gaya, okay lang yun. Hindi marinig yun eh.
Yung kamay din.
Stop.
Yung kamay kasi.
O, PA, oy, PA. Ayaw pa.
Dorman NXT. The first is
Tangin na serious.
Okay siya. Wala na.
Tingin sa akin, tingin sa Lord. Tingin sa akin, tingin sa Lord.
Ano kami pa yung pinapatingin mo?
Bad trip.